Greetings, River Lady here, and I am out doing some gardening, and I have some of my friends with me having their breakfast, and I am excited to share with you my new hydrangea that just arrived via UPS, Red Sensation out of Monrovia Nurseries. Okay, so here I am at the other garden that I enlarged, and this one is a complete hydrangea garden. I have two, not original. The one on the left is called the original. The one on the right is Blushing Bride. But those two back hydrangeas were here originally in this garden, and then I enlarged it and I added some other hydrangeas. Some that I transplanted and one that I purchased right here in the corner, Zinfandel. And now my newest hydrangea is Red Sensation. Now, Red Sensation doesn't necessarily bloom red. You can get it to bloom a deep burgundy tone if you have an alkaline soil, but it will stay pink if it's in an acidic environment. And as you can see, the company I purchased it from has it in an acidic environment and grew it in an acidic environment, which is fine. I'll wait and see how it does in a year, and next spring I might amend the soil to try to bring it to a burgundy. Now, let's go in tight so you can see my Red Sensation up close. You can see how beautiful the leaves are. They're green, they're healthy, blossom, buds. Okay, that's all I have for you. My new Mophead Hydrangea, Red Sensation. I'll keep you posted on how she does, and I wish you happy gardening. Let's leave you, I know what I'll leave you with. I'll leave you with a picture of my ducks waiting for me to get out of the way so they can continue to eat. Okay, this is River Lady saying happy gardening. Please subscribe, post any questions down below, and that's it. Have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye.